Hello everyone, in today's video I'll tell you guys, can you see who visited your Roblox profile? So in here, the first thing that you want to do is simply log into your Roblox account just like this, and after doing that, here what we're going to do is simply click on our profile profile option that you'll be able to see on the left hand side, right? So in here, if you click on profile, here you'll be able to see your profile details. You'll also be able to edit your avatar and also your profile. If you click on this three dot bar here, you can see your inventory and also your favorites, right? So if you click on creations, you'll also be able to see all of the experiences and game that you have created on Roblox. So in here, unfortunately, I have to let you guys know that Roblox does not actually have a profile visitor feature, so actually you cannot see who visited your Roblox profile. So yeah, that is a very unfortunate thing, but Roblox did not have that option. And I have to let you guys know that if a third-party websites are claiming that they can actually show you, then I'm pretty sure that it's a scam and you guys should not trust those sites. So yeah, that is it.